What's up, everybody? Little Castaic Lagoon trip here. Saturday, there's a float tube tournament this morning, so they're hammering them hard. I know that for sure. But I don't know what's going on with this place, guys. Show up at 2 o'clock. There's a sign saying that you have to be off the water at 5 because of some night fishing thing, which I thought was the upper lake. But then I'm told it's here too, but I can't take a boat. I don't know what. Sometimes the management here at Castaic can be a little interesting, but we're gonna stay out here and see if that's true or what's going on. So I might only get 2 hours right now on the water. Really was planning to swim bait a bunch and just keep working offshore, close and then up close to cover, everything, you know, but I don't know, might be a short trip. Yeah, so I don't know what's going on with this place sometimes. I'm sure you guys have had similar situations, question some of the stuff they do up here. But all right, well, hopefully we can find some bass in the short amount of time we're out here. Ooh. One middle of the water roamer. Two something. My 2.5 pound clones that I've been getting, I guarantee you. Yep. Two and a half, exactly what I thought. They're all 2.5. Getting bigger now, that's great. Nice one. If I had it. God, he's fast. Nice shoulders. Work that dude. Look at those shoulders. Nice one. What's up, guys? It's a largemouth bass. Ooh. Just got him. Look. It's a 2-pounder. kick all the way back? Okay, cool. Right on, dude. Good seeing you, brother. Yeah, so right around this time, the lifeguard makes an announcement that the lake is closing at 4 p.m. Everyone had to get off the water 3 hours early. The lake is just understaffed, I guess, right now, so they don't have enough people to work, which is kind of a bummer. But luckily, got these 2 chunks before getting kicked off. Lake's closing at 5. Ouch. Yeah, so I want to tell you about some new baits that are coming out from BioSpawn. This is the Exo Swim, the 2.75. Really good size little swim bait. And then the Tightrope little spinner bait too. Good compact size for fishing Castaic. They have this new bait coming out, the RoboPop's little popper. That top watered bite's coming up soon. That's gonna be really good this year. And then this new worm, the Exo Kick. It's a little worm that you just Texas rig and you just swim it right around grass. And it's a sweet thing to throw this time of year, especially when the grass starts to grow. Good morning, everybody, or whatever time of day it is. Out on the lagoon again, obviously. Fishing's been good. Can't get myself to go to the upper lake yet. I know it's gonna start picking up there though. And I'll be heading up there soon. But yeah, so last weekend, kind of got kicked off the lake kind of early. The whole lake got closed down at 3:30. And yet again this weekend, 3:30 shut down. So I got out here the second I saw that. So I'm late morning. Normally I don't like to come from, you know, the 10 o'clock to 3 o'clock window, but it's my only option because both lakes are going to be closing. All right, where I leave off, that weed whacker is a little loud there. Yeah, so not the best time of day to be out here. Obviously, middle of the day. It's going to be like in the mid 90s too. I was hoping to get out an afternoon bite again today. And if I would have known, I would have come out here really early. But we'll see. You know, we're gonna try our best. I mean, the bite's been good. Should be able to catch some fish. And then yeah, look out for some videos coming up here. The upper lake. Got to go up there now and do some scouting and see what's going on. And it's gonna be so cool. The water's so full. I mean, maxed out, whatever it is. It's gonna be a whole new lake. Lots of places to catch them. So. Yeah, be on the lookout for that. So, but we'll give it our best today. Get some bass out here. Some nice warm weather. All right, later. Ooh, check out that boondock jig. Sweet. Little finesse jig, a little purplish, black. Oh yeah. Throw that around here today a little bit. Yes. Oh. Oh, it's a nice one, guys. Oh, it's a tough bite. Nice 3 or 4 pounds. Cold bass. It's crazy how cold this fish is. Three and a half. Whew. All right, it took a little bit, but it's dead calm out here, hot, so just fishing real slow. found a couple cruising. Fished them real finessey though, just dead stick action. And they finally one of them, nice one, 3.5 pounder. Wanted it right there. So all right, we're just gonna keep creeping around here, finding these guys. A little flipping setup there. Easy. Whew. Right now. Hold 2 pounder, not even yet. Saw a freaking bass. Huh? Two six. All right, finally got fish number 2. Took a little while there. It's that's why I hate this time. Like the 10 to 2 o'clock window is always the slowest for me normally, traditionally. I don't know about you guys. So just out there fishing slow again. Finally found a couple around grass, out deeper actually. That's another quality though, 2.5 pounder though. So let's see what we can find out here. Got maybe another 2 hours or so left. All right. Oh, finally found a bite. Oh, look at that dude. Yeah. All right, 3.5 pounder, 18.75, almost 19. Nice fatty. All right, 2.5 pounder, 2.6 is 16.5. All right, got 3. That wasn't great, but just a little bit slow. You know, again, just kind of a weird time of the day. I don't know if the bite would have been better early or late afternoon like I've been coming, but we gave it a shot. It's all we had. So hey, a couple good ones too. 3 pounder, 2 pounder, little dude. So I'll take it. It's nice out here, nice and warm. It's like 90 degrees. But all right, guys. I think we got some upper lake stuff coming up. I got to get up there. Have a little bit of time to get up there. So let's hit that upper soon. Get a report from up there. Hopefully get some trifectas again and get some stripers, smallies. But all right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.